Hello everyone, my name is Nahid Mughal. I'm from grade 7 of Educon International School, and today I'm going to speak on a topic which is how do I boost my own confidence. So, when I was a very shy girl when I was about 6 to 11 years old, and I'm still a very shy girl, but my confidence has built up a lot. First, I was scared to even go in front of my mom or any of my family members to speak about something, but now I do not have any problem for going up in front of my school and speaking about something. But I still don't like to speak in front of my family because I feel weird doing that. So people can feel weird speaking about something or performing in front of your family or anyone, and that's absolutely okay. So now I'm going to tell you a story. uh, I was in fourth grade and I was a very shy girl. I used to be very scared to speak in front of people. So once our teacher was calling us one by one to revise a certain topic which was already taught in our class beforehand. Then when it was my chance, so she called me up to explain the topic. She gave me the marker, and when I was going to start writing on the board and start explaining the full class, I froze on my spot. I didn't know what to do and I just froze. I don't know why, but I just couldn't move, and our teacher looked at me and they told me to start explaining, but I just couldn't. And when I looked back at her, that's when my tears started pouring. Our teacher was shocked to see me cry, and then she hugged me and told me to calm down. And then she asked me that why was I crying, and I told her because I was nervous. And thank goodness she understood me perfectly. She told me that it was okay to get nervous, but I had to work on building up my confidence. So then she told me to go back to my seat and told me to calm down. But once then I was selected to do anchoring for our annual concert. I was selected with one of my friends. So I thought I would be way more calmer, and I was. Then, when the day came, I was not that nervous, but I knew that my parents were sitting in the audience. So, and I didn't really like that part. So basically, I just didn't even glance or look at them. So, how do I build up my own confidence? I actually didn't have to do much as I wasn't that much of an introvert. So, probably it was a bit easier for me. I tried to stand in front of the mirror and speak to myself, which helped me, but the people outside who saw me saying things to myself from far away probably thought that I was a very crazy person. But I really didn't care at that point, and I just wanted to build up my confidence. The other thing is I made my soft toys, whichever I had, sit like they were the audience, and that also worked. It really worked. You can also put any objects such as mugs in front of you and pretend that they are people, but just don't break anything, or else you'll get in big trouble. The one thing that helped me the most after that was to actually face people. So in fifth or sixth grade, I was still nervous and scared, but I was able to um, explain stuff in class or in front of people. One more thing you can keep in your mind is that you can remember your favorite things. For example, I like to sing songs in my head, and it makes me very calm and helps me to explain or say something better and more fluently. And slowly, like that, I'm getting more and more confident. So I have improved a lot in my confidence, and I'm able to speak more fluently and more confidently. And you will be able to as well. Don't worry, you will be able to. So you don't have to think about stuff like what will people think about me or will people like me. Just do your best and don't think about what people will think about you, because that would make you nervous and not speak up properly. Just get more confident like this and you will improve a lot, as I improve too. Think about your favorite things and just stay calm and explain peacefully. Thank you.